guys, what's up? Today, finally, I have already made up my mind to go and stay with Nick, that my ex guy. See my bag. I don't carry my bag. I want to stay with him. I beg, not gonna wish me well. You understand? So me and my friend, that my friend, we are connecting. You understand? So me and Cash, when we're sporting, you understand? Finally, I'm going to that guy's house.
Guys,
so I pray that, baby, wait. Okay. I pray that I stay well with him.
Hey guys, as you can see, I'm seeing her off to Nick's place. I'm kind of worried about her, but I know she'll be fine.
Fine.
Since she decided to record everything, I don't know why, but she has a reason. So, Joy, please, no, they do shish for Nick house. I don't want trouble. Please, try and stay safe. And you know your condition. Just try and manage yourself. I wish you well. I just pray that luck shines on you and you smile again. Take care of yourself. We'll be talking. Thank God he's around the area now. You'll be coming to the shop.
Yeah,
okay?
I'll be coming now.
Yeah, so we can see and talk more. Please take care of yourself. See, no go do anyhow. You know he's a man. Don't go put body for ground. I know you are pregnant.
Not for you. Why you want my put body for ground?
I just tell you.
No, wait. I want you to explain. How you want my put body for ground? Is it to make allow making the
I know. Wait, just hold on. Just calm down. I know what I'm saying. Just take it easy, yeah?
You will call him, Shebi is your friend. You will call him, let him take it easy.
I go see follow and talk. No worry yourself. So, if we go now. See, this your lose them. I don't want to talk before.
No.
Like, guys, how do you people cope with this woman? Like, every time she's tying wrapper. Lose the wrapper. Remove this thing on your head.
No, leave it, I beg.
Lose the wrapper so that at least you can feel good with it.
Leave it now.
Okay, you are wearing a trousers. Why are you tying wrapper on it again?
Okay.
Better remove it. Then this one. Your hair rough.
It's rough.
Oh yeah, wear it back. See, try and go and lose your hair and weave another hair.
I'm not seeing naked. This is camera. I forgotten that this is live camera. No now. Stop.
Try and back.
Guys, please, man, I know this. I beg.
You and your camera.
Hey. Cut.
Very soon, I know they follow you with this your camera. I don't understand.
No problem.
Everything camera. Oh yeah, I do want to be going. I want to go back to my shop.
Okay.
Alright, take care.
Okay.
Alright, bye-bye. Be going. Call me when you get there. Okay? Use Nick's phone to call me.
Okay.
Alright, bye-bye.
Oh, bye-bye. Take care. Okay, guys. Before my friend will go far, I want to see Nick. As I tell you guys. I see these girls with the kind of embarrassment which my friend give me. Okay, now. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. This Nick house fine. This place is fine. Nick! Guys, finally, I'm there for Nick house. You understand? You know, sometimes say make I come, but not today. So I want to surprise them. You understand? I want to surprise her. You know, even though saying that today I didn't come, I want to surprise her. So guys, follow me. Let's go. We'll just see reaction. You understand? We will see how you take reactions. You know, understand? Guys, come. I'm going to meet house. Let's go. This one I'm being domot. So let me know. If maybe in domot, maybe anybody will stay there, if you come out, he will direct me. You understand? So let's go. Nick! It's me.
Joy.
How
far now?
I'm fine.
What a surprise. I just said you be saying you know because they will meet before.
Because You say you're going to take care of me, so what do you expect? I've come.
You have come. You have come. Thank you. You know, say you can come before I do shakara up and down.
See, Nick, ma tell you. See that way you do me before, not do me again.
Don't worry, don't worry. I'm a changed person. Now I go to church every day. I'm a church person. I've given my life to Christ.
Are you sure?
Yes, now. I cannot do anything bad to you, you understand? I will come inside, what should they do for outside? Sorry, we not.
Guys, come.
We'll not get light to you, understand? But I'll go on jail for you, man. Come inside. I will come. Joy. See, camera move. You understand our position this time, yeah?